Hello everyone, welcome back with another video. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So in this video I will share with you a unique project. From this project you can enhance your images or videos and many more things you can see in a single project. So without wasting our time, we can start the video. So if you are new on my channel, so first of all subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos and notifications. So simply we can go to the website. As you can see, the website was open. Imagine Network is the name of this project and give you a multiple opportunities. You can simply generate your image or enhance your image and which one you making image, so you can have an opportunity to simply enter your thoughts means in text, and then you can simply click on a generate option, then you can get your AI generated image. So simply you can see many images was available as a sample. Recent project was available. You can see simply you can enter your uh, method which one you want, so simply then it's give you. So hot images was also available. You can see top trending and most voted images was also available. You can see on screen and multiple opportunities they will give you. As you can see, home screen was showing on screen, then you can see many more detail like hot postage vagara and many more things you can singly see in single project. So it's a good opportunity for you, so must participate in it, and you have many multiple opportunities to make multiple content from this platform. Then you can see the top news and many more things, so you can create your account. Then you have an opportunity to make AI videos, submit images, tags, and top user pricing. Each and everything you can get from this single platform. You can see get image coin, it's also available. You can see get image and you can buy it from PancakeSwap and many more other wallet was available. I will tell you how you can purchase this token. So first of all, create your account, click on a create option, simply log in with wallet. If you have, simply I have a MetaMask account, so simply I log in it with MetaMask, and it's a simple method to making an account. So simply you can see I successfully create my account, and you can see confirm the email address, and then you can log in this platform. As you can see, the detail was available and my favorite and total all posted and each and everything was available. So simply you can go to the wallet and buy crypto, swap crypto, and activities was also available. If you want to buy it, and you have an opportunity from from Coinbase or Meld.io, and if you want to swap, you have an opportunity to swap your cryptocurrency with Ethereum, and which token you want to purchase, simply click on it and you can simply swap it. So it's a good opportunity for you, and it's give you many more opportunities. As you can see, first it's give you AI generated videos, images, and then it's give you a swap option. And the token of this platform was also very useful for you. It's give you a big profit in future, so must buy the token and get more profitable. So these are the main thing about this project. Now I will tell you how you can use it. So simply you can go to the white paper of this project. Feature was available, must read the features of this project. It's tell you about how much thing this platform give you. Simply first of all, it give you a image generation, then daily stable diffusion integration, then user friendly interface, and disclaimer was also available, so must read it. And then you can extract the detail, you can see on screen. And image network was also available. You can see abstract and many more detail was available. So it's a good thing for you, and use the technology and generate your images or many more thing, and also get profit from tokens. So it's give you a good opportunity, and then you can see the roadmap of this project. It's a very important part because it's tell you about how much thing was developed in this project and how much thing you can see in future. And then you can see image tokenomics, means image coin tokenomics was available. Contract address was also showing on screen. You can simply click on it, and you can go to the BSC scan and see the detail about this token. So if you want to buy it, so simply you can go to the BSC scan and buy from here. So I will share with you the detail. You can see the total supply and detail was showing on screen. Current transaction was also available, so must visit it. And if you want to buy the image token, so simple you click on buying option, and simply you can buy it. It's using Ethereum network or a BEP20 network, and another network was also available. Which one you want to purchasing from which network, you can simply select it and you can buy from here. So it's a good opportunity for you. Next you can see the detail about this project, and conclusion was also available, so must read it and then be the member of this project and make benefit from these opportunities. Submit videos option was also available. Simply first of all confirm your email and then you can make benefit from this platform. So it's a very good thing for you. Images, newses, polls, and many more things was available. Like if I enter the I enter my thoughts, like I want to see a view. So simply I click on a view option and I generate it. So simply it gives me a view image or a detail. So I will see and I will share with you how it's generated. So simply as you can see, the view image was also showing on screen. So which one think you simply enter in text and you can get an images or a video. So it's a very good thing for you and you can get this method and get a multiple opportunities. So this network was very good for you to make images, videos from AI, and also buy the token of this project to get more profit. So if you like this video so much, subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos. Hope we will be meet in next video.